So, you're thinking about your next car, and the big question looms, electric or gas? For the past 3 years, I've lived with both. I've driven my trusty gas-powered sedan on cross-country road trips and used my EV for the daily grind. Forget the spec sheets and the marketing hype. This is the real-world, long-term truth about owning both. Let's break it down. First up, the driving experience. This is where EVs truly shine. The instant torque is addictive. From a standstill, you just press the pedal and go. It's smooth, silent, and incredibly responsive. Weaving through city traffic feels effortless. My gas car, which I still love, feels almost agricultural by comparison. You hear the engine rev, you feel the gear shifts. Some people love that mechanical connection, but for day-to-day driving, the quiet serenity of the EV is a game changer. It's just a more relaxing and modern place to be. Now, let's talk money, the cost of fuel. This is a huge win for the EV, but with a catch. I primarily charge at home overnight, where my electricity is cheap. It costs me about $5 to get a full tank that lasts me all week. Compare that to the $60 I spend to fill up my gas car. Over 3 years, the savings are massive. We're talking thousands of dollars. However, public charging is a different story. Fast chargers on the highway can sometimes cost nearly as much as gas, especially during peak hours. So, if you can't charge at home, the financial benefit shrinks considerably. What about range and refueling? This is where gasoline cars still have a clear advantage. My gas car can go over 400 miles on a tank, and I can refill it in 5 minutes at any of the countless gas stations around. My EV gets about 280 miles on a full charge. For my daily commute and errands, that's more than enough. I wake up with a full battery every single day. But road trips? That requires planning. You need to map out charging stops, and a typical fast charging session takes about 25 to 30 minutes to get back to 80%. It's not a deal breaker. It just forces you to plan your breaks. It changes the road trip rhythm from go, go, go to a more leisurely pace. Finally, let's touch on maintenance. This has been the biggest surprise for me. In 3 years, my EV has needed new wiper fluid and a tire rotation. That's it. No oil changes, no spark plugs, no exhaust system issues. My gas car, on the other hand, has had its regular oil changes, a brake fluid flush, and a minor sensor replacement. While not bank-breaking, these little maintenance costs and trips to the mechanic add up in both time and money. The simplicity of the EV's mechanical design is a long-term benefit that often gets overlooked. So, what's the verdict after 3 years? It's not about one being definitively better than the other. It's about which is better for you. If you're a 2-car household, having one of each is the perfect combination. The EV is the undisputed king of daily commuting and city driving, saving you a fortune while being a joy to drive. The gas car remains the more flexible and convenient option for long, spontaneous road trips. If you can only have one, ask yourself, what does 90% of my driving look like? If it's mostly local and you can charge at home, an EV is an incredible machine that you'll likely love. If you frequently drive long distances with no time to spare, the good old gas car might still be your best bet for now. I hope this real-world perspective helps you on your car buying journey. If you found this useful, a like and subscribe would be amazing. Let me know your own experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.